everyone.
Hi everybody.
I'm Maz.
And I'm Liz.
And welcome to our 7th session of Babies and Books. So for those of you that may not have seen the videos before, Babies and Books is all about spending some quality time with your babies, bonding, building their vocabulary, communicating with them, and most importantly, having lots of fun and having playtime with them as well.
How does Baby and Books fit in with your routine? We know that routine is very important to children and adults actually. And so you choose the moment usually when they've had a good night's sleep, they've had their breakfast and they're rearing to go to start their day. And you could begin by doing a little warm-up song and use their name often. And also if you have a toddler and a baby, incorporate both of the children's names in a song. For example, you could go, I tickle Frankie's toes, I tickle Frankie's nose, I tickle Frankie's tummy, and round we go. And you could do the same, where is Frankie, where is Frankie, or where is Mummy, where is Mummy? And that gets you ready for the Babies and Books session. And hopefully, when Maz starts doing the live sessions, if you could send us your baby's name and use your baby's name often. You can use your baby's name in the character of the book that you're reading to them. And then if you send us your name, Maz will give you a lovely shout out. Yeah. So
fantastic. So we're going to start our session, as we always will now, with our name song. And we'll give some little shout outs to the little ones out there. Yeah. Okay, so.
Hello, Izzy. Hello, Izzy. Hello, Izzy. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Hugo. Hello, Hugo. Hello, Hugo. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Hannah. Hello, Hannah. Hello, Hannah. It's nice to have you here. Yay!
So our next few sessions now are going to be all about animals. So a couple of weeks ago, or I think we did it last week as well, we sang Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. So that's the next song we're going to sing.
Right. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. And he swished it and he swashed it and the fly flew away. Powder puff and curly whiskers, powder puff and curly whiskers, powder puff and curly whiskers, and he swished it and he swashed it and the fly flew away.
So a song next that we haven't done before,
No.
but that you will probably know, is Old MacDonald. And on his farm we're going to have a pig, a sheep, and a dog. Okay.
What? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baa here and a baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof, woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yay.
And the final song we're going to do, 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away.
Ready?
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away.
Mummy duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 quack. No little ducks came swimming back. Oh,
And sad
Mummy duck went swimming one day over the pond and far away.
when
Mummy
said
said quack, 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 quack.
and
All of the 5 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 quack. Yay!
we're going to move on to our story next. We've realised we've been talking about books, but we haven't actually read a story yet. So, we're going to be reading Dear Zoo, and it's by Rod Campbell and published by Macmillan Press. And this has got flaps that you can lift, so we talked about those just the other week as well.
We did.
Dear Zoo.
Indeed. Dear Zoo.
Dear Zoo. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So, they sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So, they sent me a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So, they sent me a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So, they sent me a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So, they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So, they sent me a frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So, they thought very hard and sent me a dog. He was perfect. I kept him. I hope you enjoyed that story time. And Mandy in Broughton, she's been doing some story time sessions and she's been doing the Makaton signing for all of the books that she's looked at. So if you look back on some previous videos, you'll be able to see some more Makaton signing on those.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So next we're going to introduce you to the next free book that you can pick up at your local Aura library. So we've got libraries at Buckley, Broughton, Flint, Holywell, Connor's Key, Mould, and also the mobile library. I'm really excited for this book because there's so much in it and so much that we can do. So it's got little bumpy bits for your little ones to touch and to feel, or for you to guide them on their fingers. I'll give you a sneak preview of the first page. So we've got a snail there that you can go around on a shell. Also, it's a bilingual book. So at some point we're going to be inviting Jean to come and read it in Welsh for us. It does also have a QR code, which is really handy. So you can get your QR code and you can hear it read in Welsh. It's got numbers, it's got animals, it's got insects, and we'll be doing the Makaton signs for the animals too. But what I am most excited about is that I'm going to be doing a Zoom session. So on the 23rd of April at 10:30, so the same time that these videos go out, I will be doing a Zoom. So to get your Zoom code, you need to email susanna.hill@aura.wales, and there should be that at the top of this video for you to have a look at. So I'm hoping that some of you will be able to see you virtually on the Zoom sessions.
And also include your little one's name,
Yes.
because Maz will be giving them a shout out.
Yeah,
And eventually they'll recognise the name. But ultimately, and hopefully soon, we're really excited to have you actually come into your local branch physically and have our Babies and Books sessions at your local branch, whether it's Broughton, Flint, Mould, Connors Key, and the staff will be excited and looking forward to that.
Yes, absolutely. So we'll hope to see you all then.
Bye bye, Hoover! Bye bye!